Outstanding morning! In this tutorial, you will learn how to stake EDCOIN during the EDCOIN Smart Staking campaign. Congratulations on wanting to stake your EDCOIN and to let time do the hard work to grow your EDCOIN portfolio. In your MASTER EDCOIN Wallet app, please click on Staking. You will see a staking guide. Please read the staking guide if you are new to EDCOIN Smart Staking. Please click on Continue. You will see a selection of smart staking plans. Each plan specifies the yield you can earn across a specific time duration. Subject to being fully subscribed, you have a choice of 30 days, 90 days, 180 days, 360 days, and 720 days. When you have chosen your smart staking plan, click on Stake Now. You can choose more than one plan to stake your EDCOIN. In this example, we are choosing the plan that gives us the most yield for the time staked, which is the 720-day plan. Enter the amount of EDCOIN you wish to lock or stake. In this example, we have entered 200 EDCOIN. You can click on Max to stake all of your EDCOIN. Please click on I have read and agreed with all statements if you agree to the terms and conditions. If you have enabled email authentication, please select Email Authentication. Then check your email for the authentication code. If you have enabled Google Authentication, please check your Google Authenticator for the two-factor authentication code. In this example, we have selected Email Authentication, and we have obtained the code 371957 in our email. We enter 371957 and then click on Submit. You will see you successfully staked a plan, which confirms that your EDCOIN has been successfully staked in the plan of your choice. Click on Continue to stake to once again view the smart staking plans available. Please note that you can decide to cancel or close your staking plan at any time. However, if you cancel or close your staking plan before its maturity date, you will forego any yield that you may have accrued. You can choose to stake your EDCOIN in more than one plan at a time, provided they are not fully subscribed yet. Congratulations on making time do the hard work to grow your EDCOIN portfolio. MASTER EDCOIN Wallet, your all-in-one wallet.